Samsung's Fan Edition phones have always been about bringing flagship-level features at a slightly more affordable price point. And with the new Galaxy S25 FE, Samsung is stepping it up once again, offering premium materials, a gorgeous display, powerful cameras, and long software support. But is this the fan-favorite phone we've been waiting for in 2025? Let's find out. First up, the design. The Galaxy S25 FE feels every bit like a flagship. Measuring 161.3 by 76.6 by just 7.4 mm and weighing 190 grams, it's slim, light, and super comfortable to hold. Samsung went all out with a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front and back, an enhanced armor aluminum frame, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Basically, this is a phone you won't be afraid to take to the beach or a rainy hike. It's tough and premium. Flip it over and you're greeted with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. You get 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and up to 1900 nits peak brightness, perfect for outdoor visibility. The resolution is 1080 by 2340, giving you crisp text and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming Netflix, editing photos, or gaming, this screen delivers flagship-level quality. Under the hood, the S25 FE is powered by the Exynos 2400 chip, a 4nm powerhouse with a 10-core CPU and Eclipse 940 GPU. Performance feels fast and fluid, apps open instantly, gaming is smooth, and multitasking is effortless. You get 8GB of RAM and 3 storage options, 128, 256, or 512GB. And with One UI 8 based on Android 16, Samsung promises up to 7 years of major updates, which is huge for long-term users. Samsung has packed a very capable camera system here. On the back, you get 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS for sharp, detailed shots, 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, great for portraits and zooming in without losing quality, 12-megapixel ultrawide for those epic landscape shots. The results? Bright, punchy colors, great dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance thanks to the larger sensor. For video, this thing is a beast, 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and super stable footage with gyro IS. The 12-megapixel front camera also shoots 4K 60, making it a strong choice for vloggers. The 4900 mAh battery easily gets you through a full day, even with heavy use. When you do need a top-up, you get 45W wired fast charging, hitting 65% in just 30 minutes, plus 25W wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging to power up your earbuds or smartwatch. Samsung didn't cut corners on the extras. You still get stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint reader, Samsung DeX for turning your phone into a desktop, Circle to search, 5G eSIM support, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, the works. It's as feature-rich as it gets. So, should you buy the Galaxy S25 FE? If you want flagship design, amazing display, long-term software support, and a versatile camera system, but don't want to spend flagship money, the S25 FE is a fantastic choice. The only caveat is that power users might still prefer the S25 or S25 Plus for slightly better performance and more RAM options, but for most people, this is more than enough. Overall, this is Samsung's best fan edition in years and an easy recommendation in 2025. What do you think of the Galaxy S25 FE? Is this your next phone, or are you waiting for the next flagship drop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos just like this one.